So, as we can see, Animal Farm was actually originally an anime by George Orwell.
It's Orwell.
And I'm just sorry. We're gonna try and get back to the topic over here, if that's okay. Excuse me.
What?
We've got 4 minutes left in this lecture. My vibe, it's dead. You've killed it. You've killed my vibe. I was really on a roll. Was I on a roll, guys? I was on a roll, right?
You was on a roll.
I was on a roll. The pig was wearing some sort of article of clothing, which is integral really to the...
What does it say about veganism?
Of the, I'm sorry?
What does it say about veganism?
Allegory?
Do you hate animals?
Yes, but if we could just get back to the alligator in question.
Get down!
My main skills is wrangling because I don't actually know how to use
Go back, please, go back.
and then that was later adapted into a multimedia experience by George Orwell. Platforms across Instagram, Facebook, there was a virtual reality aspect to it as well. Any questions? Any questions?
Yeah, I got one.
Yeah, all right, that's it. Thanks for coming, guys. It's been great.